What's up, guys? I'm Rob Eason. I'm the #3 world's highest rated high-level certified admin, masterclass guest speaker, and winner of the top AI sub-account award for having the most sub-accounts use my code to turn on unlimited AI employee during the Summer of AI special. And this is my part 2 of my AI employee setup videos. This is gonna be a live build of the conversational AI, and we're gonna get right into it. In the first part, we did the inbound voice. Now we're gonna set up the conversational AI to book messages. This can be really used inbound or outbound, but just to kick off the conversation, you just start with a campaign just sending out text messages, and when you get a reply, that's when the AI kicks in. So basically setting up inbound handles inbound and outbound if you set up one more workflow. I'm gonna go down to the AI chat section. This is our template. We call this our high-level SOP. They came out with outbound voice 2 days ago, so we're gonna add outbound voice here. It needs to be a separate prompt and separate setup procedure. So I'm gonna do an outbound voice video. I'm gonna do another one showing how to connect MCPs to the voice. And I'm also gonna do one on some of my other favorite AI employee sections. But it all starts with an SOP. Now we've gotten it to where our AI agents prepare these. I'm gonna do this one manually. There is one thing you need to, basically we take the website and the other information the client has given us about the bot we get from our onboarding form. So you need to have these basics filled out. We call this our knowledge base. It's basically all the website, business name, niche, services, location, hours, frequently asked questions, pricing, all the basics that really are important for the bot setup. So we're gonna train the knowledge base of the bot on the website and on this. We already showed how to set that up in the inbound voice AI video, so I'm not gonna redo that. I'm just gonna assume you already have this part filled out. And we're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna show you how I make a sample. So just take ChatGPT, give it that template, which you can get just by opting into my community. If you join my community by going through the link in the bio, opt in anywhere and reach out to me and we'll get you this thing, and you'll also get trainings on all the new features. I do those twice a week. So we're just gonna and so you can see I have the agent actually working to pull leads out of the certification directory for me. We have it it can just go task by task and help us do with any fulfillment process. Any virtual process can be automated, let's say besides sales. Any technical setup process can be with that. So I need help updating the voice AI prompt. This is the conversational AI prompt template. If you don't have all that information out and your client has a website, if you just want to make a quick version, you can just give it the website and the prompt that I showed you from my website and client knowledge base. The website is https://market.ai and the template is here. Oh, wrong thing. Do not leave any custom fields besides those used in high level, and only use, I think that's good enough. Boom. All right, so now while that's going, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So you go over to AI agents, Conversation AI. We're gonna do a new agent, we call it a live demo agent. I always do custom, but of course you can take advantage of those awesome marketplace templates that I think are really helpful. Live build agent, autopilot, all channels. Default is location name, that's good for me. I like to wait 30 seconds before responding. And I like to do less than 10. This way you get a chance to step in and reply. And you can do that anytime on your app or on your browser. And definitely want to send the bot to sleep if I take over. But I'm just going to say for 20 minutes because if they reply again, I want her to take over unless I do something. I might even say 5. So the next reply will be handled by the bot. Bot training. We're going to use the knowledge base we set up in the last one. And I'll check, after we make this bot, I had tried making a knowledge base of the whole high-level solutions portal for like a assistant. We're going to see how it did pulling the whole high-level solutions directory. I know it's like hundreds of pages. Cancel, save. And then you're just going to paste in everything from the prompt here. Role objective. Didn't really break it down into sections very well for me. Let's look at my original. Role objectives. Here's how I'm going to make this easier. Personality. I probably need to look at my bot to see how we break this up. Let me see. I'm just going to do this. High level. I need to break this down into 3 prompts: personality, goal, and additional information. Right, here is personality conversation guidelines. It doesn't quite look like goal, additional information. Okay. All right. So then just paste this in there. I realized I think I had. All right. And then you do want to turn on a few of these: appointment booking. Make sure you choose your calendar. Proceed. I like to have those on for sure. Reschedule, and then I don't like auto follow-up really. Transfer. If you have like 2 different calendars, you can make a transfer condition like transfer to this agent when you want to book for a different department, like maybe customer service. And it's really easy to set up. It's pretty self-explanatory. And you can use our template to make those bots too. Stop bot. Sometimes you want to stop a reply. Goodbye detection I like. You definitely want to get the contact info. So update anything that you want to pull. This is going to be you know what? I think it automatically pulls some detail. That's all we need. I'm going to review this real quick. Yeah, so name, email, phone are already going to be collected. So we're testing a little bit of save. I want to know about your services. Now this is the weekend for me. My calendar's not open until, here we go. Boom. Works perfect. I've already tested this knowledge base. It works really, really well for pricing and everything. And that's that, guys. So it's in action now. Any channel it'll be working on. If you want to set up a workflow to send messages, that'll just say, hey, wanted to reach back out. Are you looking for help with X, Y, and Z? When they reply, the bot can see the automated message that went out. So it's going to have the whole context. Even if you send a manual message, it's aware of that in the conversation view. So that's one of the best things about having everything integrated all in one place, and why I never go outside of high level unless I absolutely have to. And that's that. My cat's jumping up on here. I'll see you guys later.